How to fix Windows Update error code 0xc8000442 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Such type of error code if appear on your screen, then here are the various workaround to fix this issue. And the first one is launch Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key and go to System from the left side, and here look for Troubleshoot option from the right side of setting page. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshoot. This is an inbuilt feature of Windows system, and here choose Windows Update Troubleshoot. Click on Run button to run Windows Update Troubleshoot in your system. Let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will detect issue. It will resolve your Windows Update related issue if any found. After that, check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Restart some Windows Update services. To do so, right click on Start button, choose Run command box. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open Run dialog box. Here type services.msc to open services windows. Open services windows. And in services windows, look for background intelligent transfer service. First, right click on it and choose Restart. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties, and the startup type choose automatic, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. The same add on the other services such as cryptographic services. Right click on it. First, start it. If you found already a start mode, then restart it. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties and set the startup type as automatic. Choose apply and OK. The next Windows services, Windows Update related services is Windows installer services. Look for this and right click on it and choose Restart, or if you found it stop, then start it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties, and you can't change its startup type. The last one is Windows Update services. Right click on it, choose Restart, and open its properties windows, and startup type set up as automatic. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. Now you check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type C and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator, and in command prompt Windows execute some Windows Update components. First, stop these 4 services. Execute all these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. In command prompt Windows, first stop these 4 services. Thereafter, execute the more 2 commands, this software distribution command and catroot command. Execute one by one both these commands, followed by enter key, and thereafter start all the services which you have earlier stopped them. Start all these 4 services. Again, execute these 4 commands one by one, and once successfully completed all the Windows Update components run, then restart your system. Don't forget to restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, scan your system with DISM tool and SFC scan now. Again, go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute DISM tool such as shown on screen. All this command path will also available in my videos description box. You may copy from there. Execute these 3 commands: DISM scan health, check health and restore health. One by one execute all these 3 commands in command prompt Windows. and once completed, execute the command sfc scan now. Sfc scan now is also a useful utility. Sfc /scan now and press enter. It will scan your system and look for corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system. Your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.